What a wonderful day today. And yeah, we're going to learn something new today. Okay. But first, let me get to CoinGecko. Guys, what day is today? Do you know what day is today is? Can you tell me what day is today? I mean, I don't know whether you know this, but I need you to know this. It is such an important day today. Today is like a matter of life and death. Okay. I'm serious, guys. It's like a matter of life and death. I mean, it is a day that you cannot forget. I mean, guys, hey, Ricky, forget. I mean, guys, today is like your wife's birthday that you cannot forget, but you do, right? So that's a bad example. So let's look what's happened to Bitcoin. Look at that. 42,113, 2906. Man, it has fallen a lot. And clearly it's gone up 40%. This is not good, right? We want it below 39. Nope, it's not FOMC, Raymond. Today is such. There is a name for today. Nope, nope, nope. And the fear and the greed index. Okay, this is so important. Where are they now? Look at this, guys. It is extreme fear. Are you in fear? Yeah, we can accept that. That's kind of a SH kind of thing, right? Yeah, come back down back to support around here, right? So hey, what's happening, Bitcoin? What? Yeah, we're here. The second level of support is there, right? So the good thing is we're back in fear day. Now, this is such an important day. I want you to remember this very, very carefully, even to next year, because this day, guys, and this is kind of a seasonal thing. I saw this on CNBC last night, because I wanted to know what is happening with the market here. This is seasonal, guys. I want you to remember this, September 22nd, because this day, and remember it next year, I don't know what it is next year, is the September equinox, okay? Now, let me show you something. This was given by W.D. Gann, and this was actually discussed yesterday, CNBC, by Art Cashin, right? Who does he work for? I forgot who he works for, but he's kind of a hit trader over there. There it is. Crypto taper top debt ceiling mouse. Look at this. The September, W.D. Gann once noted September 22nd. The autumn equinox is the most important day in the markets today. Today, guys, is the most important day in the markets. It doesn't matter what trader you are. Today is the most important day, and let me show you something else. When markets are more likely to reverse than any other day of the year. Remember that? Today, yes, I have become an astrologist. That is because there's no point in me getting upset in watching the charts, right? So I've decided to go into astronomy today. You guys are my victims, okay? Look at what happened in this, right? 1987, and they give several more examples here, right? I don't know, panic led bid off the 100 DMA. I don't know, but this is today. If we do not clear today, we are going to be in huge trouble. Now, let's see what's happening. I'm putting in the S&P 500 today. Then only we look at Bitcoin, okay? Let's do this right, because let's face it, Evergrande is going to impact everyone. Who do we rely on to fix Evergrande, guys? Who do we rely on? I gave you his name yesterday, right? Xi Jinping. Remember that. When you see Chairman Xi, I want you to go, hello, sir. No, not Mao Zedong. That is, Mao Zedong is no more there. Xi Jinping, okay? Maybe a long time ago. And you look at this, what's happening now. Look at this. Okay, good. We see the S&P 500 rebounding. This is good. You want to see it clear this. Now, the thing is this, look at that. Bitcoin was rebounding, but look at this, guys. There is a what here? Let me go to Ethereum. Let me try to set Ethereum to 4. There is kind of a red bar. Now, what does this tell me, guys? This tells me that there is a fear factor, right? There is a fear factor on what is going to happen. See that? It was green, and then going red. There's a fear factor. They're saying, what is going to happen here? Is this going to go continuously up, or is this going to go down, right? So let's see, S&P, we do not know that. I'm just going to see NASDAQ for you guys. And we hope that Xi Jinping is in the best of health and that he keeps the China financial system going. And guys, China has already asked a lot of companies like, what was the company that was in Malaysia? Forest City. Whatever that company was, right? The company developing Forest City was already asked to kind of contribute to buy up some properties from Evergrande. Look at that. Say NASDAQ too. Nervousness. I see some nervousness. Like the Yoda said, Dennis, in your eyes, I can see those nervousness. Like you want to be the Jedi, right? We got to be brave, guys. But when I see this now, I'm going to show you something on crypto. On the other hand, I am going to show you something on gaming. Gaming. Yeah, Country Garden. Thanks, Easy Country Garden. Gaming. Look what's happening on gaming. Guys, I'm like, hey, guys, my Illuvium, I've been wanting to buy this, didn't buy, wanted to buy pump, it dumped, and then you become scared of buying. And I always promised to buy this, but I never do it. Went down, dumped to 443, and then pumps again. As if it is forgetting there's something called Evergrande. Hello. Maybe these guys don't know who Xi Jinping is. Okay, we forgive them. That's one. I see another one here. THD, Thetan Arena Group. Well, that's not, guys, that is not impacted. That's like, duh. You understand what I mean? Duh, what's happening here? Is there a crash? I don't know. So this is what I want to tell you. As we go towards next year, you will see this dichotomy, this separation between cryptos. There are three, okay? I'm going to introduce to you three market classes. Tomorrow, I'm going to cover NFTs. Exciting session tomorrow, guys. I'm going to tell you when I am going to sell my big Troika condo, kind of the number 3 most expensive in KL. Not mine, but that unit has the 3rd most expensive condo in KL, okay? Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, if you don't know. Now, there are 3 asset classes: cryptos, NFTs, and gaming. And frankly speaking now, I see gaming as a star now because, guys, even in this, it is refusing to go down. You remember once upon a time, we had NFTs refusing to go down. Okay, NFTs are going down now, but gaming is still there, okay? So Bitcoin, I want you to see tonight. I don't know what's going to happen tonight. All I know that if we turn tonight is the most likely day we are going to turn around. So sorry, guys, can you tell your spouses that you may not want to go to sleep tonight, right? You only want to go to sleep after the US market closes, right? So let's see what's happening in the US market. Now, beyond that, so now I've already spoiled your night, right? Now you ain't going to go to sleep. Yeah, guys, serve you guys right. The next thing I want to do is this. Okay, look at this, guys. This is very interesting. I find this so interesting because Bitcoin ETF get the nod in the US next month. Now, there are a lot. Now, we don't know which one, guys. They go on a rolling basis, right? So I think there are 3 due in October, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and then if they're not approved, they go for another 45 days. But there's just a lot that are coming into October. So I think that 1 or 2 could be approved because look at this. Canada is leading the US over Bitcoin ETF. That doesn't make sense because Cathie Wood of ARK Invest, she's our number 1 supporter, right? Together with the president of El Salvador. Who's the president of that? You guys don't know the president of El Salvador? Nayib Bukele. Oh, I think so. That's it. At least I know his name, Nayib. Okay, anyway, Cathie Wood is even go there. It doesn't make sense. So potential like futures-backed product first, that's good. Legitimization window for massive amount of money because this would make money come into Bitcoin. And Mike McClone believes that Bitcoin will be hitting 1,000. Yeah, I see that too. And look at that. 100K this year, Q4 213, Q4 217, both saw 300% rallies. Makes sense. 40 times 3, 120K. That makes sense for now, guys. So I want you to really take a look at tonight. And if we can get into October, it will be maybe just waiting for the ETF to come in. That would be very, very exciting, okay? That's really, really cool. So on the one hand, you have fear, which is hopefully at support. On the other hand, if we can get by through this rough time, We are waiting for an ETF. Very, very exciting because people don't want to sell. Next, what I want to tell you there, okay, what is this? Subpoenas on the mainnet. I don't know what that is, but the SEC is also very active. Let's take a look at other news here before we go to my NFT tomorrow. You don't want to miss my NFT tomorrow, right? I will tell you what I'm going to do with my condominium. Okay, I'm waiting before I do something on it. Okay, this is slow. Let's go here. Cointelegraph, what do you have to tell me? See, this is amazing. NFTs mark a resurgence in art galleries, guys. NFTs is the new, basically the new status symbol. Do you know now today, you are deemed more valuable if you have an NFT, an expensive NFT, rather than a Lambo or Rolex. Okay, so guys, if you guys have a Lambo, you can sell it to me for cheap. If you guys have a Rolex, please make an offer here tomorrow. Okay, guys, your Rolex, no point. Okay, no point. It's NFTs. In fact, we could do a change, right? I can send you my snack, my snake NFT. You just send me my Rolex. Okay, cool. This is cool. So this is really something very different now. Look at that. 17 million NFT collection. What? Snoop sold 17 million. Okay, it went below 40,000 yesterday. We're lucky we were asleep. You know, you guys didn't realize this, right? I didn't realize this, so I'm lucky. Like, hey, I was busy doing my astrology. If I saw this, I probably would get freaked out. Okay, so this is really, really cool. What's happening in the news? Okay, Salvadorians, they're not familiar. Of course, it's still new. Okay, this is okay. Look at that. SEC registers DeFi and physically back Bitcoin ETF approval. So apparently, Mr. Gensler is under tremendous pressure now, okay, to approve this Bitcoin back ETF. So 10% of early blockchain, yeah, our startups are working on blockchain. That's good. So you saw yesterday, right? Like what did you see yesterday? That what was that company, right? That was putting in Sorare, right? That big venture capitalist SoftBank put 680 million. It has already come to the mainstream. But look at this, guys. Even though Bitcoin and Ethereum is struggling, look at this. Look at AVAX. AVAX is still doing well, you know, because AVAX is from Cornell University. I told you guys, things from Cornell University tend to do very, very well. That was what happened with Link, okay? So what is happening here? So Bitcoin, Ethereum, we saw that already. Now, let me see CoinDesk. Now, what are the news on CoinDesk? What's happening here? Okay, again, shows that crypto suspect for cops. Yeah, I told you guys, it's easy. It's easy to track people to cryptocurrency. I don't know why people create cryptocurrency is not secure or cryptocurrency is used by the bad people. No, really? They don't like Thailand. Yeah, is Thailand marked? I think that's because of the SEC. Yeah, if you are having KYC doing in Thailand, I think that's because of the Thai SEC. I understand. Dennis, you know, right? Thailand SEC wants to close down Hobby. I don't know why. On the other hand, I see Thailand SEC, and we talk about this tomorrow. Thailand SEC is also friendly towards property. That's why tomorrow we'll do a session on property for NFTs and why I am not selling my very expensive condo yet. Okay? Before this, I wanted to sell. Now, no, I'm waiting for something. I'm showing it to you tomorrow, what I'm waiting for. This is good. Coinbase proposed crypto regulations to US officials. Now, this is something else. Gensler called stablecoins poker chips at the Wild West Casino, compared the crypto boom to the wildcat banking era of the 19th century, saying that history tells us that private forms of money do not last long. And I think this is why. Okay, this is related to this. You guys know, right, that the SEC did not allow Coinbase to issue a lending product. Okay, they said no to Coinbase lending product. So I'm like, okay, what's up with this? Hello, what's up with Aave and all that? I don't know. So even Coinbase are wondering what is happening. How can you stop us when you don't stop the likes of Aave and all that? So I don't know, but it's good here. They are going to propose crypto regulations to the US officials. Okay, so I'm just leading you to this night, which could be which could be very, very. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's discuss this tomorrow. Get together with my NFTs. And now it's what is it now? It's all Evergrande, guys. Remember, tonight is all about Evergrande. We will see what happens in tonight in the September equinox. Okay, but yeah, default risk. Everyone's is now watching this. You look at this right now. Before this, right, you saw this was a crypto site. It was all full of NFTs. Now it's like Evergrande, man. Evergrande, because again, they are afraid of a domino effect. And that's why tonight, what do we say, guys, before we go? We say, hold the line. Hold the line, right? Hold the line. Hold the line, hodl. And what do we say? Long live Xi Jinping. Long live Xi Jinping. Save the China financial system. Save Evergrande. I am going to see you tomorrow after the most significant day of the market, the September equinox. Let's see what